If you are struggling to land a job in 2023, this is the one thing I need you to know. We are still in a job seekers market. I know it doesn't seem like it because of the layoffs, and especially if you are looking for your ideal role right now, looking for that great next job, not just any job, and you haven't been able to find it, it might just seem downright mean of me to say this. But my point is actually, it's not you, it's not your qualifications. I work with people who are looking to primarily make pivots or move significantly up in their career. And this year alone, they have landed jobs at NPR, Fortune 500 companies, huge pivots, and huge salary jumps, 20K and above. The only difference between them and someone who's struggling to find a job is the strategies they use to find a job. You know it's not about your qualifications. It's about how you look for that job, what works and what doesn't. I'm going to be teaching these strategies in person in Seattle on October 16th. That's a Monday at the Cloud Room. So I really hope that you can join me because it is very rare that I do in-person events. And this workshop is going to be packed full of all the best strategies you need to land your ideal role in this economy in 2023.